and arrangers, but the guy who gets in there and starts from beginning to end and lays it right out. And it's very important to recording artists to have a good producer, someone with imagination, someone who can write songs as well. Such is the case with a fellow named Felix Pappalardi. You'll hear me mention his name and a host of others from time to time. We'll get to know them right here on American Top 40. Listen to them now with the group called Mountain and Mississippi Queen. Mountain, Mississippi Queen.
Casey's Coast to Coast. Sirius XM Radio, 70s on 7.
So far, we've heard an even dozen of this week's 40 most played songs in the nation. Let's hear some more.
Number 28.
You know, a lot of people in show business have expensive dental caps on their teeth. This singer has expensive hubcaps on his Rolls Royce. They're 14-karat gold and cost $10,000. Mark Lindsay.
Get aboard the Silverbird, departing gate 19. Satisfy your Walter Mitty mind, trying out a dream. Your sign is Capricorn in every corner of your mind. Says you'll remain my friend until you're mine. Silverbird, fly my lady away. Silverbird, take her over the lane. Silverbird, give my lady a ride, and let her see what's on the other side. Silverbird, fly my lady away. Pretty bird, today is a day. Lone rangers and strangers will knock at her door, but I know my baby's no baby no more. Silverbird, fly my lady away. Pretty bird, today is a When you come home, my crazy heart will greet those silver wings. Your pet dog will remember you, and I'll carry your things. We'll catch your running makeup, and you will look just fine. And you remain my friend until you're mine.
Silver bird, fly my lady away. Silver bird, take her all the way. Silver bird, give my lady a ride, and let her go see what's on the other side. Silver bird, fly my lady away. Silver bird, today is the day. Silver bird, give my lady a ride, and let her go see what's on the other.
That's Mark Lindsay and Silver Bird. My name is Casey Kasem. We're counting down the hits on American Top 40. New York's Laura Neal wrote this one, sung by California's Fifth Dimension. Save the Country.